You join a new team, you open a file that handles the payments. Something looks wrong, you check Git commits and messages. You ask your teammates, they don't know either. You ask AI, it gives a textbook answer. You spend half an hour, and meanwhile the production is down. And the reason is simple: code base is changed, contact does not get saved, and nobody remember why. So hey everyone, I am Priyank Panchal. With my teammate name is Jay Prajapati, and team name is Null Pointer. And this is a Copepod. It gives your GitHub repo a memory built completely on the top of the Cognee. So just then imagine a new developer joins your team and opens the files and see logic that makes zero sense. And they either spend hours figuring it out and they just change it and hope nothing breaks. And Copepod gives them a better opinion, just ask, get the real answer, and move on. So yeah, here is architecture. Let's break down. So in front end, we are using a Next.js and the Tailwind CSS. In the backend, we are using Fast API, and the whole backend is written in the Python. Also, we are using a GitHub and the PyGitHub. And the main part is the Cognee. The Cognee handles the memory layer completely. And also, we are using a Gemini API key as a light LLM model and the fast embed for the local embedding. And Cognee gives a core operation, by the way. So remember when the data is coming, recall when the someone asks a question, and improve when the fixes get confirmed, and forget when the code got solved. And the three things sit on the top of this: a VS Code extension, a Web Studio, and the MCP bridge. So all pulling from the same knowledge of the graph. So yeah, this is a Web Studio. So by logging with a GitHub, so yeah, already done the GitHub authentication. So move to the studio. So this is a Web Studio. So I already some done the chats with them. So just like so here I done just like actually explain why the most recent pull request in the repository was significant and important for the project. So it's just like here what happened. So basically we are using a Gemini API. So it's called the Cognate tools for the recalls, and it's from there from the memory graph by using the recalls tools. So from the inference it gives the whole answers for the whole answer. So this is the web studio, by the way. So now move to the next part. This is a MCP tools. So basically what's here? So we are building MCP tool which is a bridge between the agent and the Cognate. So to share a particular repo, particular user base, and particular just like context base. So we are using we are building some corporate MCP tools which serves the repo based context from my Cognate memory to agent. Just like here I share, just like I for demo I tell about what tell me about the last PR which is most important play for other project. So it send and copy just like agent sends copy MCP as an input question and it gives output. So after inference it for PTI it gives the whole output. So this is about the MCP, which is a bridge between the Cognate memory and just like an agent. Thereafter we move towards our last feature which is visual extension, which is built for the VS Code. So here we are made so which file are connected with which PR and which issues. So basically this is a come from the memory of the Cognate. So it finds the which file are connected with the which PR. It shows in the visual form. So this is all about the extension. So thank you for listening. So this is all about the corporate.